What's up guys, OZM here. So working on this 2013 BMW 328i. The timing failed on it, so we just pulled it with this piece right here. This is our tow motor, Subaru, and we made it a few miles down the road in this slick weather condition, but we made it. As I will show you, you can, when we unscrew the oil cap, you can actually see the timing guide. It's definitely confirmed that the timing is busted. At least the timing guides are off, and hopefully we can fix this. 2013 BMW. We're installing this little cherry picker, whatever it's called, but what it's gonna give us is, with that, we'll be able to raise the engine up and then have access from the bottom to remove the oil pan or whatever we need. So really smart, genius idea. Alright guys, so we finally got done with this thing. Today's the day that we fire this thing up. Everything is back together. The timing chain, the guides and everything is replaced. So, moment of truth, we're gonna go ahead and fire her up.